Alright guys, today I wanted to talk about the new radial repeat option in Adobe Illustrator on the computer. Essentially, you just select whatever shape you want to rotate, and then you go to Object and down to Repeat. Where is it? Click on Radial, and it'll automatically rotate whatever shape you selected in a radial way, so in a circle essentially. This wasn't a very good example because of how it actually did it. But I can actually show you guys what you can do here. So the top little, I guess, anchor looking thing here actually allows you to adjust the radius of the circle and also the spacing between your shape. So I can just pull this in and out to change how it's laid out here. There are, I believe, two other options. So this option right here, it looks like two little arrows pointing in left and right. These are your start and end points for your radial rotation. So if I pull these, it actually changes what you can see and where they start and end. This will be important here in a second. There is one more option on the right side here, which you can drag up or down to increase the iterations of your shape. So if you pull up, you get more. If you pull down, you get less. Now, you can see that the shapes aren't actually going past the point where I have set the start and end point, so that's pretty important. You can just drag these out again if you want, but if they overlap, it pretty much disappears into one, so if that happens, all you have to do is pull them apart again. But you can make pretty interesting shapes with this new tool. Hope this helps you guys out, and as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!